Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Priyanka's IT School. Today I'm going to explain you again how we can use navigation commands in Selenium. So in the last session we have discussed about Selenium basic browser commands. Okay, these are the WebDriver commands we are discussing. Today I will be starting with navigation commands. So guys, generally for navigation we have a certain process to be followed, right? So navigation commands means exactly how it works. Let's see. If I can show you here, let's say I'm opening the new application and there I suppose on Google, I'm searching for test engine. Okay. And this is how I'm navigating to next page, right? But if I really want to go back, then in general, we have the browser URL or browser UI available with us, right? We can directly click on these arrows and we can complete that feature. See, for going back, I will use this back arrow. Let's click and it is going back. If I want to again come forward, then I will use this arrow, forward arrow, and this is how I'm using and performing the same step. Then we have to do one more step. That's all about a refresh. Okay, how we can refresh a page. So if I just follow this one, this is how you can refresh the page. So same step, if you really want to do with the help of automation, then we have certain navigation commands to be followed. Guys, understand one point. Selenium provides, okay, Selenium provides one navigation, okay, interface. And with the help of this interface, we have four commands to be followed. We need to understand what is to command, to where you can simple reach to the URL address again. Okay. I mean, already you are open any application you have already opened and you want to navigate in the same session on a different application. Then you can use this to command. There is a simple difference in get and to. Get will help you to open the application directly in that driver session, right? But already if any application is open and you want to switch from that application to any another application, yes, we can have this to command where you can pass a URL and it will help you to navigate from one application to another application. By default, we need to follow get only, right? In fact, internal implementation, if you follow for to command, it is actually implementing the same thing. You are actually opening application only. But instead of opening application using navigation, we have a direct interface or we have a direct method available, that is a get command. So usually if first time if you want to start your session, yes, definitely you can use a get command. But suppose application is open and I want to navigate to another application in the same session, then I can use a to command. Okay, so this is a one command we'll be covering. Absolutely, navigation interface, you can access all the methods through the navigation interface, right? And for that, we are going to use navigate method in Selenium WebDriver. So all the method, to method, back method, forward method, you can access. But you need to start writing your script with this. Driver.navigate, that's a method, dot. And there you can access to, and you can pass your URL address. So do remember syntaxes as well. Okay. Then we have back command to be followed. Back, yes, going back. How to write? Same syntax. Driver.navigate dot back. Okay. Similarly, third, we are going to learn forward. How exactly you can go forward? You need to start writing with the same driver dot navigate dot that particular command name. That's a forward. One more point. Okay. It is important to know that navigate is a method and the return type of this navigate method is a navigation interface. And so you are able to access this method from the same interface. Okay. Then there is a one more command, that is a refresh. How we can access? We need to write driver dot again navigate. That's a method. And then we can have this refresh. This is how you can start and you can remember the commands and their syntaxes too. So now it is time to understand practically, okay, how these commands work. So guys, I'm creating a new test case. Let's create a new class. Here I'm writing navigation or navigation commands. Okay. And then let me create a main function and see. Again, what is the first step? We need to start with our driver session. So I'm just writing create driver session. Okay. Along with this, So let's create, okay? Along with this, we need to understand how we can apply the command. So very first, let's create a driver. So I will be writing WebDriver. It is equal to new, and let's write Chrome driver, okay? So we have created a session first, and you guys need to import it again from the same Selenium package. Then guys, let me open any application first. So yes, in the last session, I have mentioned that you need to write your complete URL address. See, if I just write this way, www.google, let me just write google.com. This is not considered as a complete URL, right? So in that case, if you try to execute your command, you will able to see the exception from the Selenium. And here you can see I'm getting that directly exception from the Selenium, which is invalid argument exception. So what is invalid here? See guys, we haven't passed correct or appropriate URL address. So do remember, whenever you apply get command, you need to write a complete protocol or complete URL address. So I'm writing here https google.com. At this moment, if I execute this command, now you can see here definitely you will able to see that Google page within a browser, right? So these are the few things that you need to remember. Now let's start understanding the navigation command. So for now, I have already opened Google application. Let me capture title. Okay, so I'm just writing title is, and here absolutely we have a method get title, correct? So I'm using get title method just to get the title of the web page. But now I want to navigate. Suppose I want to navigate to Facebook application. How you can go for Facebook? So guys, I will just write driver dot. See, we have this method navigate, and just observe the return type of this method, which is a navigation. So navigation is one of the interface in Selenium WebDriver. If you just apply navigate method, just put dot operator, and here you can have this method. Back method, forward method, even you can simple use refresh, to string URL, and to a separate, this is what URL is what? It's a class in Java. So if you really want to start any server URL, you can pass it here with this two command. Currently, I'm starting with application. So I will be following two command where I can pass URL address of a Facebook application. So let me write again, complete facebook.com. This is application URL. And yes, what I'm expecting, firstly, it should open Google. In the same session, in the same browser window, it should navigate to Facebook. And let's see. So if I again start execution, check the browser status, everybody. See the Google, and then it is navigating in the same session to the Facebook, right? Even we have captured title of the Google. So we are able to see here title of the Google. Okay. Then from this command, if I want to again navigate back, okay, back to Google, right? How exactly we can do the same? So just you want to navigate back to the Google. Let me write properly. Then we can have a back command. How to use? Yes, driver dot navigate dot back. That's it. And definitely you are able to back to the Google again. So guys, let me show you this step also. And here you can see the entire UI. Okay, Google, Facebook, again Google. But how quick it is. If you really want to check the step with some pause, right? So we have static wait. We can follow static wait in Selenium. Actually, this concept coming from the Java, okay, we don't have a directly static wait. This is not a part of Selenium. But yes, we can implement the same Java concept in Selenium, which is thread class. And we have one method to follow. That's a sleep method. So guys, that is called static wait in Selenium. How to apply? See, I will write this way. Thread dot sleep. Okay. I'm passing timeout in millisecond. 1 second means 1000 millisecond. Currently, I'm writing 2000. That means I'm passing 2 second timeout. Okay. But when you apply this method, you will immediately get one exception that's called interrupted exception, which is a compile time exception, guys. So for now, I'm going to throw it. Okay. So let's throw to the declaration. And this static wait, okay, whenever you want in between the step, you can apply. So currently I have applied in between to and the back command. Now I will show you forward command. Okay, so suppose we want to navigate to forward. Okay, again navigate to same forward to again Facebook, right? Navigate to, let me write directly Facebook. Absolutely, I need to go again forward. How we can do that? Driver dot navigate dot, and we have this command to be followed forward. And finally, okay, after again 2-second timeout wait, I will apply here that 2-second timeout, and I will show you how exactly you can follow refresh. If you want to refresh your page, you can just do this way. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. And this is a command you can follow to refresh the page. So guys, basically these commands are called navigation commands. And let's see the output, how it works. Now after 2 seconds, you are able to see the result. Okay. See first Google, it is navigating back to Facebook. See back to Google. Again, it will come forward to Facebook. It will refresh. That's it. And this is how you will understand how to work with navigation commands which are available in Selenium WebDriver. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching everybody.